Hey cruisers, I'm so excited to share my Amazon haul with you today. I have 20 items that you're going to love, and there are all kinds of different things. I have some tech and some gear. I have lots and lots of packing essentials, a few fashion items, and if you stay to the end, number 20 is an amazing gift if you'd like to surprise the lady in your life for $100. I have the perfect gift for you. Everything will be linked in the description below and pinned to the top of the comments. And if you see something cool along the way, make sure you let me know down in the comment section. All right, let's get to item number 1. I just got the coolest charger for my iPhone 15, you guys. This charger has everything. Check it out. It has a MagSafe front, so you can magnetically attach your phone to it. It then has on the back 4 built-in cables. So if you want to use the brick for other things aside from the MagSafe portion of it, you can charge other items as well. But my favorite part, the thing I think I'm going to use the most and what really made me buy this, is this little kickstand it has on the back. Isn't this the cutest thing? Can't you just imagine setting this up on your airplane tray table and watching your Netflix on your next flight? It would also work great on a cruise. You can just put it on the coffee table and do the same thing. I'm really super into that one. Number 2 is the toiletry bag of my dreams. I don't know why, but I really struggle with finding the perfect toiletry bag, and I saw someone on Instagram featuring this one. The thing I love about it is it's a little bit more compact than some of the other things on the market, and it has this detachable TSA bag. There are a few sizes available. I got it in one of the smaller sizes because I usually don't pack that many toiletries, and it still has that great hanging hook on it, which makes it really convenient. When you get to your cruise destination, you can just hang it up on the wall. Next, number 3, got a new electronic or cable organizer that comes in several different sizes. I want to show you the medium size and the small size. You can fit so much in here, you guys. You could put your cables, your headphones, your SD cards, and if you're taking a laptop, you could put your laptop cable and even a mouse inside of it. Number 4 is an amazing item to buy for yourself or to buy for a gift. These are the Beats noise canceling headphones, and there's so much that I love about these. Mainly, I bought them for those long flights that are going to take me to a cruise, right? I mean, you know how hard it is sometimes when there's a lot of loud noises on an airplane and you just want to chill out and maybe read or listen to some music or watch some movies. So I got these, and when I got them, I discovered that they actually have 50 hours of battery life, but if they do happen to run dead, they have this turbo charging mode where you just plug them in for 10 minutes and you get 4 more hours of battery life out of them. Number 5, I found a packing cube set in this really gorgeous black floral. What's amazing about this, if you're new to packing cubes, if you've never tried a set, this is kind of the ultimate starter set because it has 10 total pieces inside. It has this bag on the outside, which could double as a toiletry bag. And then on the inside, it comes with a bonus shoe bag, a small miniature bag that would be great for flights, putting essentials in, things like that. And it also comes with a full 6-piece packing cube set and a drawstring hamper. There's so much included in it that I feel like you're getting a lot for your money, and the prints available are really super cute. Hey, if you're new here, I forgot to introduce myself, you guys. Hello, everyone. I'm Sherry with CruiseTipsTV.com. If you're enjoying this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe. We'd love to invite you to be part of our community. And if you're an OG long-term subscriber, I want you to know that those likes that you leave, those comments that you write, they make such a huge difference. And I'm so thankful for all of you for your continued support. We are just the luckiest. Number 6, this off-shoulder top that I'm wearing is really fun. I have been a big fan of off-the-shoulder tops for a long time, but if I'm being honest, I kind of took a break from them for a while because I was getting really super tired of my off-the-shoulder top. So this one is a medium. It comes in 14 different colors, and it looks really cute on your cruise with shorts or capri pants or even jeans. I'm wearing it with jeans today. All right, speaking of fashion, I do have a few more fashion items for you today. I bought a brand new raincoat for Alaska. Actually, I bought 3 new raincoats for Alaska, but you guys have to see this beautiful geometric print. Isn't that just the prettiest print? I love these 3 raincoats that I'm showing you right now because they come in over 30 colors and prints. They are waterproof, they are machine washable, and the best part is they have full coverage and they go down to about mid-thigh, depending on how tall you are. That's really nice if you're out on a rainy excursion. It's just gonna help you keep your body a little bit warmer. These are awesome to layer with sweaters and t-shirts, and I do have this new sweater that I got last season that I'm loving layering with this. Number 8, let's talk about luggage for a while because we did invest in 2 new pieces of luggage this season. The first is this suitcase from Mixi. This one's high-end. It's a little bit of a splurge, but listen to all these features, you guys. It has a USB-A and USB charging up at the top of the suitcase. It also, on the back of the suitcase, has a cup holder that you can put out if you'd like, as well as a little clip that you can hang like a travel pillow on. That clip can also be used as a phone stand, but honestly, my phone doesn't fit on there, so I would just use it as kind of a little hook or a clip. It's a top-loading clamshell style suitcase, and it comes in really beautiful colors. But this one does not have a laptop sleeve, just FYI. Number 9 is a great budget find. This is a brand called Loveuk that so many of you told me that I absolutely had to try. This Loveuk suitcase is a little bit more petite and small than the one that I just showed you from Mixi. But it's also top loading, also known as a clamshell type of a suitcase where you pack it from the top and everything goes into one compartment. It has this little water bottle side pocket. You could put a water bottle or some sunglasses in. And this one does have a separate laptop compartment. Now I like the more petite size on this one, and I also like how it pairs with the 3 backpacks that I'm going to be showing you in just a little bit here. Number 10 is such a cool item. This is a phone stand that I picked up on Amazon recently. It is foldable. It has adjustable angles, and in my opinion, it's pretty packable too. I think you could easily put this into your travel bag. This would also be amazing for flights. You could put this right on your tray table and watch some Netflix or read a book or whatever you want to do. Next up, I have this beautiful new tote bag, you guys. I was actually shopping for a tote bag on Amazon for the beach, and I came across this one. It comes in so many different colors. It's also water resistant though, and it has this beautiful blue interior, and I feel like this caramel brown color just matches absolutely everything. Number 12 is this cute little corduroy travel bag set. I use this as like my bedside travel set. So when I'm on a cruise, I put this next to the bed, and inside of it, I've got like my sleep mask. I'll have my reading glasses, maybe some cleaners for my reading glasses and stuff like that. And I have to tell you, I used it so much that I felt like it needed to be washed. I put it through the washing machine and the dryer, and it came out just fine, no problems. I was totally okay with it. Number 13, you guys have to see these cute little fun printed bags that I found on Amazon. When I got them, they were on sale for between $3.99 and $7.99. They're really basic on the inside, so they don't have any pockets or anything like that. They're just fun, they're cute, they're inexpensive, and they make great gifts, and they come in lots and lots of colors and different fabrics. Next up, number 14, I have been using these travel size slippers for so many years that I decided to buy them in a new color. They're totally unisex. My son has them in black. He wears them all the time when we go on cruises. But what I like about these is they compress down to pack into your suitcase. They take up next to no space at all, and there's just no excuse for me now to travel without slippers. All right, let's start talking about those backpacks that I told you about earlier. Remember how I said that they would match that cute Loveuk suitcase I showed you? Well, all 3 of these would actually coordinate beautifully with that Loveuk suitcase. So number 15 is the small Loveuk backpack. This one charges your laptop while the laptop is in there, and it loads from the top. I would say this is a small to medium sized backpack, and it does have some good color selections. Number 16 is kind of a medium backpack that's just really nice. It has good padding, it has good features, has water bottle holders, a beautiful laptop compartment on the inside. And this one, number 16, is kind of like your perfect personal item bag that will probably fit on just about every aircraft. Number 17, now this is a big one, you guys. This is my large backpack that I just got. This thing has a 40-liter capacity on the inside. What that means is that it basically mirrors the storage space of a 20-inch suitcase. It has a full laptop compartment on the inside. It has some beautiful packing cubes and a kind of like a toiletry bag that it comes with. The toiletry bag isn't something that I would recommend that you use for the TSA because it's a little bit too big. Number 18 are these new pill cases that I got. They actually sell them in packs of 3, so these are the colors that I got. They have 14 slots per case, and they're really super affordable for the 3-pack. I don't like the labels that they came with, so I'm going to link to some labels that I like better that I personally use. Number 19, have you guys heard about these Olay melts? One of our subscribers told me about these. You just soak them in some water, they activate, and then you wash your face with them. It's really easy to do. I use them in tandem with these little tiny sponges. These sponges start off looking like a little wafer, and then when you activate them with water, they're the perfect sponge for kind of washing your face on the go. Now, these products are great for someone who's maybe trying to minimize the amount of liquids that you pack because they don't count as a liquid, which is really cool. Number 20 is our last item, and this is the one that I promised you guys was going to make the ultimate gift for the lady in your life. After our cruise on MSC, where they have Swarovski staircases, have you guys ever seen those staircases on MSC? They're so pretty. My husband surprised me with this beautiful Swarovski tennis bracelet. It's right around $100. I think he might have got it on deal around the holiday period, but I think it's such a great gift either for someone you love or for yourself, either for a special occasion, maybe a birthday that's going to happen on a cruise, without being too expensive. And I also feel comfortable traveling with it. I don't usually travel with any fine jewelry, but this, I will definitely travel with it. It just matches absolutely everything. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Everything is linked in the description and pinned to the top of the comments. Now, did you find anything new today that you loved and that you wanted to pick up? I'd love to hear about that down in the comments. Also, if you subscribed today, put a big old string of red hearts so that I know that you subscribed and that you're new. We appreciate you guys so much. And if you have any Amazon products that you would like us to try out, please leave those down below as well. And until next time, we'll see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.
Oh boy.
Guess what? Now to the pit.